In this video, you'll learn how to lock the Bitget Wallet app to enhance the security of your cryptocurrency assets. This process involves several steps within the Bitget platform, ensuring that your wallet remains secure against unauthorized access. Begin by navigating to the Bitget Exchange website. Once there, you should see the main interface of the platform. Look for the Beyond Crypto option, which is typically located in the navigation menu. Click on it to proceed to the next section of the platform. After accessing the Beyond Crypto section, you will need to locate and click on your profile icon. This icon is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu with options. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This action will direct you to the Settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your account. On this page, look for the Security option in the left sidebar and click on it to continue. Once the Security section is open, find the link labeled Advanced Security Settings and click on it. This will take you to the advanced security options available for your account. Here you will see the Withdrawal while whitelist option. Click on this to set up withdrawal restrictions. In the Withdrawal whitelist section, locate the statement that reads, when enabled, you'll only be able to withdraw to whitelisted addresses. Click on the link that allows you to manage your addresses. A prompt will appear, guiding you through the whitelisting process. Next, you will see an option labeled Enable. Click on this to activate the withdrawal whitelist feature. This function will ensure that any withdrawals can only be made to addresses you have previously approved, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. Proceed by clicking on the same statement regarding whitelisting addresses. This step will confirm your settings. Afterward, you will need to click Enable again to solidify these changes. Upon enabling the feature, a confirmation message should appear indicating that whitelisting is now enabled. You may also see a recommendation to set a lock time for new address withdrawals. This recommendation is important for additional security. Once you've read the message, click on Close to exit the confirmation. You are now back in the security settings. Next, look for the option labeled Biometric Authentication. Click on it to explore biometric security options. You will notice a description stating that biometric authentication protects your account in high-risk situations. After reading this, proceed by clicking on Enable it using the Bitget app. This action will activate biometric features for your account. Following this, locate the option to set up a PIN code. Click on it to enhance your asset security further. The system may prompt you with information regarding the benefits of having a PIN code, which is essential for safeguarding your account. Next, click on Configure to set up your new PIN code. You will be prompted to enter a secure PIN that you can remember. Ensure that it meets any specified security requirements. Once you have entered your PIN, confirm it as required. After configuring your PIN, you need to verify your phone number. Click on the phone number verification option to initiate this process. Keep in mind that phone verification codes help guarantee account and transaction security. A message will inform you that changing your bound phone number will disable payments and withdrawals for 24 hours. This precaution is important to consider as you proceed. Click on Configure to continue with the phone verification process. You will then see an option to bind your mobile number. Click on this to enter your phone number. You may receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code as prompted to complete the binding process. Finally, ensure that all settings have been correctly applied. Review your security options to confirm that the necessary features are active. This final review is crucial to ensure that your Bitget Wallet app is fully locked and secure. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.